It's October 24th.
Why do you always surprise me with these?
I get a more realistic you that way.
Yeah, I don't have a script planned or anything, and I always sound stupid.
Well, so do I. So we'll do it together.
Okay.
There's no script. We're not scripted. We've never been scripted. Okay, so it's October 24th.
Yes.
And I think the last time I maybe recorded was the 22nd. We're kind of working on the same stuff, but we're buttoning up stuff. So cover what we've done in the last couple of days.
I'm unscripted. I have no idea.
They can't see the face I'm giving you right now.
No, it's nasty. It is definitely not pleasant. So what have we done? Mostly cabinet doors, building cabinet doors. So you want to show over here first?
Yeah.
Watch out for the
Yeah.
stuff there. All right, so this is wet.
Yeah, but you can still lift
Back
it.
side,
Yeah.
front side. We built these from scratch.
That's upside down,
Everything.
but you can tell.
Yeah,
Yeah, built them from scratch using hardware from,
all kinds of places.
yeah. And on the inside, I've done the decoupage again with
Yeah,
little
this is
travel
outside.
photos. And this time I went with all of the license plates around the world. And
And then back side of the bathroom door, getting a little bit of Adventurers Club and a little bit of band-like references.
because
Well, we've got a guitar case that's cut down. That's going to be
the medicine
the
cabinet.
medicine cabinet. I feel like you're looking up my nose.
I'm not. I'm holding it up so
I
I can
do.
hear you. Yeah, but I'm doing that so I can hear you.
All right.
Your deep, manly voice is
No,
hard to
I'm
record.
just not loud.
Okay.
All right. And then
And then, where are we going?
going inside, we've got the kitchen cabinet here. I think I can move this.
Yeah, you can move that.
So, got that
In
kind of
place.
matching up top to kind of slowly
Tie in.
blend, and segue over that way.
And those doors outside will be going right there.
Doors will be those other doors that will be right here, and that's kind of dividing the trunk cases, travel cases, and equipment back this way for the caravan hauling, whatever it is.
You're a mess.
I'm trying to shoot up my nose again.
I'm not. I'm trying to record your voice.
And
And
then-
I've been painting, so that's kind of why
Yeah, and then we got this.
we're not touching
this
anything.
sealed and refitted, and
Which that was an adventure because the edges, nothing comes out like you are planning.
well, and I'd planned to do something completely different here. I was going to put that on the inside and kind of start a little bit of that trunk look on this way. Then we decided, well, no, let's make it look more like cabinet, so that changes from the inside to the outside. Then nothing fits because it was different.
Not made to be that way. But what we ended up, oh gosh, yeah, kill myself. What we ended up doing was we had some leftover edge, what would you call it, quarter round
It was
from the
quarter inch, quarter round.
from the hutch that we bought for 50 cents. And so we used that to finish off the edges of the wood.
Because it looked pretty nasty.
Yeah, this makes it look more finished, and it's not going to stay that color. It'll be white. I'm in the process of layers, so you can see that.
And then we're cleaning this area up, getting ready to start on the electric. And again, along with the electric, the hot water heater here, there's a lot of the plumbing exposed, so we want to use this for a little more storage. So I'm also building a protective wall around that, so we don't have things tearing up the hot water heater.
And between all of that, I came in and I know you can't tell right now, and each night I pick all of this back up again, but I came in and I organized everything. Put all the bits together, the drill bits, the drivers, and I mean, there were little piles everywhere. Then I went through all of our hardware that we took off of the camper and hardware that we've salvaged from other places and sorted and separated and organized all of that so that bolts are together, nuts are together, the right sizes. I had no idea that there's so many types of screws.
Yeah, who knew?
Hex head, square head, wood screws, sheet metal screws, bolts, different size bolts, different thread bolts. I mean, I knew there were a lot, but when you go to sort 20 years worth of raccoon scavenging, because any good hardware we reuse. We don't throw stuff away. So some of it was from other things that we took apart. Some of it has been for things that we took apart for the camper.
Yeah, well, and a lot of it, some of it we can't really use because it's pretty rusty. But whenever stuff starts to go back, I at least need a gauge reference to see what we need to
So tons,
reappropriate, or if we have some spares that we can use somewhere else.
or if we can rust treat and paint and
Right.
use over. But it's amazing how much hardware we collected.
Yeah.
So yeah, I don't know. I see a lot of the people who do camper renovations online, and it looks like they just buy stuff.
That does.
And it would be easier sometimes.
Well, I've seen some of them that do the lighter weight cabinets, but you're right. For the most part, it's almost everything is bought,
And I can't imagine how much that would end up costing on a rebuild like this.
yeah.
But we don't do it because of we appreciate this cost savings, but
Right. But we also don't do it just because it's easy. I mean, most of what we do is
but think
maybe
about
out of
it.
sheer stubbornness. But
The hardest things in life are the ones that you learn the most
yeah,
from. This camper is probably right there on the top of things. I mean, we've flipped houses, we've had our own personal tragedies. This camper has been
it's been pretty rough.
emotionally, mentally. I mean, physically we're doing fine, but well, maybe not, because I emotionally eat because of the problem. So maybe not that either. But I'm mentally, I am in such a better place than I was a week ago. And for me, it's the little stuff, like just having something finished and to look at and to be proud of, whether it be the doors on this. And I still know that there's tons of other stuff that has to be done. But for now, this is enough to inspire me to work harder. And I think you're feeling better too.
I'm feeling better too.
Always an adventure.
Adventure.
That's it for this Lake Calamita update. We're so glad you hung out with us. If you enjoy unique projects like this, you need to explore the rest of our channel. We're not just about flipping this RV. We're all about adventure, creativity, incredible food. We've got videos on our travels all over the world, our deep love for animal conservation and fun DIY projects that cover everything from house flipping to furniture flipping. We even have a bunch of videos showcasing our personal artwork. And for those who love a good theme, you'll find our passion for cooking, party planning, and theming in videos of themed dinners, cake decorating. I even cook with my dad once a month. If you've got a curious brain, our channel is definitely the place for you. Hit the subscribe button, check out the Lay Calamita playlist, and we'll catch you on our next adventure.